Hello, mums and dads. This is Akriti. I am super happy to talk about this product. This is our Robin, Loopy Robin to say. We have been working on this diaper bag now for 8 months, 9 months, or more. Why am I so excited about it? I love the fact that this bag, even though it's a diaper bag, it's not only about your baby, it is also about you. So that it does everything for you. It takes care of your baby and it takes care of you. Let's run through this diaper bag purely from the immediate points that you can see. Like you can see, this design is not like a kiddie print and so on and so forth. To give context, I have used 4 different diaper bags in the last year while I was really working with different diaper bags and my baby, right? So when you see it, one is that aesthetically it has a certain design sense. I like to carry it around and I think you might also. So that's the first thing. The second thing, it has pockets. It has pockets that are really functional. So for example, if you have to put a, let's say, wet wipe, which we are using as parents on the go, this is what we need, right? I mean, this is a simple pocket that you need. You don't need that slit. We don't use the dry wipes for our babies. We don't use tissues for our babies. We use proper wet wipes. So there is a pocket for that, right? You are on the go and you want to put a bottle inside. There is a pocket for this. You are on the go. You want to put it maybe on your trolley bag that you are carrying at the airport, let's say. So there is a luggage sleeve for it. You also have 2 more pockets. Why do you have 2 more pockets here? Because let's say while you are carrying things, you don't need your phone anymore for some time and you want to keep it away, so you can just use this or use it for any other purpose, whatever you want. So let's say you are traveling around and you have a lot of knickknacks to carry. So there are a bunch of pockets, of course, and you also have a pocket here. It is maybe for your notebook. It could even be for that small toy that your baby really likes. So yes, a bunch of pockets. Okay, now that we have seen all the outside, just like the outside things of it, let's go deeper. See, one of the big problems that I had with all the diaper bags, when I was using those diaper bags, it'll be like, you open it from the top and everything has gone inside. Super difficult to take out anything at all for that matter, right? So we needed it to be more accessible without you really splurging everything out of the diaper bag and then looking at things. So basically what we did was we made these fully openable zippers, which gives you access of the whole bag really nicely, right? So let's say you have opened this. Open the zips on both sides. Now this thing has opened up for you, right? Now let's say you have to change your baby. You have to change the diaper of your baby. You don't have to do anything. You just open it. This thing opens up. I'm for now taking out these 3 pouches. I'll talk about it. But like you can see, you have everything very nicely stacked up at the back. You are changing your baby and you have everything super accessible, right? You want a diaper, you don't have to mess out everything. You just take that diaper and use it, right? You want to change clothing for that matter, let's say. So there is a slot for clothing. There are multiple zips here for many things. It could be a swaddle, it could be a book that you are reading. It could be any other thing. It could be your laptop. So there's a laptop sleeve for it, right? So there are a bunch of things that are made here, keeping in mind both you and your baby. That's, I think, the part which I love the most. So let's look at the 3 pouches that you have. These are, let's say, you don't want to open the whole thing. Your bag is closed. You can simply take it out from here. You don't have to open the whole thing also, right? What are these 3 pouches? Let's discuss those. So the first one, maybe you have a lot of toys. You don't want to mess everything and take out many toys. This is like a semi-transparent kind of a pouch. You can pick what you want. You can maybe show your baby what the baby wants and pick out exactly that. The second pouch, I love this one especially. This is a wet pouch. There are times wherein there are these spills, there are leakages and so on and so forth. So let's say if you have to put a wet nappy somewhere, you have to put a used onesie maybe. So this is your go-to place. The third one, again, see, we are at different stages when it comes to food and solids with our baby. But let's say you are at a stage wherein you want to pack a paratha with you or maybe take some cookies with you, whatever that is, yeah, right? So you have a hot pouch. There's another way that you can use these pouches. So let's say you are feeding the baby and then you have this dirty spoon, maybe a dirty bowl or whatever. So you can use this pouch to even keep those, right? And it is not going to mess your overall diaper bag. So I think that was something that we definitely wanted to do. The other thing is that when it comes to installation, see, in India we carry thermos bottles, we carry large bottles also. We don't only carry these regular milk bottles. So here you will see that we have put larger insulation pockets, and then you have, let's say, these kind of large thermoses that can go inside, even bigger than that. Or on the contrary, let's say you want to stack normal bottles, you can do that as well. So now let's say we are just closing the bag, right? Now there will be times wherein you don't need to open the whole bag. You are really not changing your baby all the time, of course, right? So these pouches kind of are inside, and you can access it very simply. You can just take it out from here. I, in fact, while using this bag, sometimes just open a zip on the side, take out something from here, and then I close it up. So that's the diaper bag. If you want more space and you think this much space is not enough for you, you can also open these snap buttons and make it bigger. So now you have a bigger diaper bag with more stuff to carry, and you can still close it from here. So yes, that's the Robin, your sidekick.